Hey there, guys. In this video, I would like to show you how to change your YouTube channel's handle. First of all, you may get a mail from YouTube like this to change the handle. Simply select Choose a Handle. Now give your unique handle name on this and click Confirm the selection and click Got it. Or you may also change your handle from the YouTube channel directly. For example, open your YouTube channel. Now select Customize Channel and click Basic Info. Here you could change your channel's handle also like before. So after the change, just click Publish. Now let's check how it works. Type youtube.com and your handle name. Now click Enter. Wow, that's great. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.